Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cozy Corner Stories. And this week is our first week of our Halloween crafts. So there's going to be 3 different videos. And now if you got the bat craft, what you're going to get in your craft video. So this is the second video that we're going to be doing. So you are going to get a few more things. So if you're looking for an easier one, the pumpkin is probably the easiest one. This is probably the hardest one, okay? So you're going to get a green background one. Then you're going to get a bat shape. And this is kind of cool because it has something that you can pull out. And when you put it on the green, it's actually going to show up like this. Is that pretty cool? Then you're going to get a few orange pieces. And the nice thing about these all is it looks like they're all, you peel the back off and you can put them on. So let's see here. So here we have our bat. And then you have these 2 orange pieces that look like this. And they are going to go right there. Then you've got your googly eyes, which we love. And you're going to put them there. And there is his nose. I think we'll put it this way. Remember, you guys can put it whichever way you want. And then we have his mouth. And there he's completed. And again, we have a string, and there is a tiny hole at the top of there. And I would recommend that either mom or dad or somebody who's good with a needle maybe can take it and string it up. Okay, so we'll see you soon. Cozy Corner Stories, 10:30 on Thursdays. See you guys.